Hey, what's up guys? Doc Dollar here with another trade breakdown of every single trade I called throughout the week. And we absolutely killed it this week, man. Like absolutely murdered gold up and down. We don't care. We do this every freaking week. But at the end of the day, guys, I want you guys to learn from every single trade I take, which is why I make these videos for you guys. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, tap the notification bell so you guys know exactly when I go live in every single video I post. That way you guys can keep up with my profitable journey. And then hopefully you guys become profitable as well. Now, stay tuned to the very end. Make sure to comment down below. Remember, every single video is a giveaway, right? So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video on your Instagram story, guys, and then just tag me and I'll know you guys entered the giveaway. So I will be announcing the giveaway winner on the YouTube live stream. I'll be announcing the giveaway on the YouTube live stream, so make sure you guys are there to find out if you won or not. Alright, gang, so let's get to work, right? Let's see exactly what trades we took and where we could have done better, where we should have probably waited, where we should have probably kept it running, what we could have done better for next week, right? There's always places to be better, even if you had a profitable week. And trust me, we had a very, very, very profitable week, right? So many take profit smash you guys are gonna see right over here. So we started off the week with I believe it was an XAUSD short position at 1985. I do believe it's right over here. Yep, 1985 right over here. Beautiful, beautiful short position. It was called at around 1 a.m. We did call this trade due to the fact that on the 5-minute time frame. Now I like looking at the 5-minute on gold only because at the end of the day, guys, 5-minute on gold is where you guys are gonna get the clean price action, and everything's beautiful on gold. I love gold. Gold has been the most beautiful pair to me these past month, right? So let's take a look here at gold, why we took this position. So right over here, you guys see support, 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 right? So then price comes down, rejects this support, came up and failed to break previous higher high, correct? So if we fail to break previous higher high, what does that mean? That means that price is gonna create a lower high and then a lower low, right? So we executed based purely off of this rejection over here, coming back up, respecting this high over here, respecting this high as well. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna enter an impulse entry sell at the break of this low. Not this low, because this is a little bit too low, but this low. The reason why we take it here is because this is higher low structure, right? So if you guys see this, higher low, now lower low, right? So after the lower low, we're gonna get a bigger lower low, which is exactly why I took this position, guys, especially after this 1 hour candle close was absolute monster. It was a beauty. So we did execute our position based off of this, breaking this low over here. And then, bro, we caught 90 pips to start the freaking week, man. Like 90 pips to start the week, 92 pips to start the week, bro. That's exactly how I like to start my weeks. And then the next trade that we took, so we took 2 Eurjpy trades during Asian session. We actually took 3 trades this day. I believe that this was on the 7th. Yep, Eurjpy was not very nice to me this week. But we're gonna break it down. I hide nothing. Why? Because I know we win more than we lose, right? So right over here, we executed a buy position on. We took this buy position because I honestly wanted to anticipate the breakout right over here. This candle was really looking bullish up here, and I was like, you know what, this is my chance to get in. Executed based off of this candle here closing above our rejection area and above this area here. So I was just expecting this trade to rip up, but unfortunately, you know, we got faked out. Price then came down, big rejection for about 10 pip rejection, which my stop loss was 10 pips. Now I like to have, you know, 20 pips, 15 pip stop losses most of the time, but you know, on this position, I thought 10 pip stop loss was going to be fine. And then we took a losing position on this trade. Now, a lot of my students didn't take this trade because they didn't even have the chance. As soon as I called it, you know, price faked me out and came back down over here, which is completely fine, guys. It happens. Fake outs do happen. But what do you do when you lose, right? Are you going to just be like, oh, I suck, I'm not going to trade anymore, I hate the markets? No, we don't do that. We reanalyze. We say, okay, if price comes down and respects this low still, right? This low, and then comes up and starts to come back into this rejection area to wick fill this area here, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna execute this position right over here at 320 was my entry, stop loss right below the previous 5-minute candle, to then continue up for about 63 pips, guys. TP3 was smashed. Beautiful, beautiful trade, guys. Everybody took this one. Not a lot of people took this one, which is beautiful. But at the end of the day, even if they took this loss, we caught a 1-to-3 R to R ratio. Actually, a 1-to-6. A 1-to-6 R to R ratio, if you guys look at it, because at the end of the day, guys, we have a 10 pip stop loss, 60 pip gain. So that's a 1-to-6. We lost a 1R over here and a 1-to-6 gain over here, which is freaking marvelous, absolute beauty. But guys, at the end of the day, this is exactly what we do. We don't play around. We actually kill this freaking market, whether you guys like it or not, right? So we did hit our TP4 actually over here. TP4 was smashed on this position, so absolute beauty. Now, what did we do after, right? So after we came over here, oh yeah, this was on the YouTube live stream. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the clip now. Let me know what you guys think. Bro, we do this live, right? So I believe it was this position over here. 1 second, we gotta find it. I believe it was this position here. Yep. So this position was called for free on the YouTube live stream, guys. If you guys have not joined my YouTube live streams, bro, you guys are honestly missing out on so much content, so many free trades, so much free money I just give you guys. If you guys are trading live, you guys can easily take these trades and make money every single night with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and post a clip. Let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, I'm in. So TP will be 212. My entry is 215, guys. Stop loss at 218. Take profit is 212. Come on, bitch. Melt. Take profit 1 smashed. But I gotta hold it a little more. Take profit 2 will be... What a fucking banger, bro. I went a little freaking heavy on that fucking position, though. I'm not gonna lie. That was a little risky. But it played out. Thank God. You guys did get in late. You guys still should be in profit.
Yo, Dr. Dollar. Beautiful trade, man. Beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you. Take profit 2 smash, guys. Check the group chat. I caught that shit. Hell yeah. Yeah, it went a little fast, bro. But, I mean, we're at TP2. Even if you would have got in late, still no drawdown, bro. Dude, there's nothing like gold. I'm gonna be honest. We'll target 2002 for TP4, guys. 2002. Take profit 4 smash, bro. Come on. Every day I come here and I do the same exact thing. Don't try to look for different shit that you don't know that helps, you know? Like, don't look for different shit. Just look for the same thing every single day. So now that you guys saw me call it live, now you guys know exactly what I do in the live market, right? I hide nothing. If we lose, you guys see it. If we win, you guys will see it, right? So now I'm gonna break it down. Why did I take this position? Why was I looking for buys above? Why did I take a sell instead of my buys, right? So the reason why I took my sells instead of my buys was because right over here, if we were to break this high up here, okay, then I'm gonna enter buys, right? Which that was the valid setup over here, right? So even though we didn't break up above this day, we came and broke up above over here, right? Which was that clean move. Now, if it would have done this over here, we would have had this move happen over here. But since we couldn't, right, we formed the build up here. Now, all I was waiting for was sells below my area, right? Because at the end of the day, guys, this is a support level, right? Support level. So I'm waiting for me to execute my below my support level at 215. Boom, boom, boom. Right, 215. As soon as we started to break some lows, I'm gonna execute that position, keeping stops right above previous candle's high, and then continue down. This was a 150 pip push, guys, for a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. Like, simple. And you guys saw how fast it was. If you guys were on the YouTube live streams, you guys see exactly how fast that move was. Now, it's always good. That's why I do live zooms for my students, because some of these moves do come quick. So but that was pretty quick breakdown, nothing really too serious, guys. We just saw that we were really struggling to break this high. Not only that, we formed a higher high, but failed to break that higher high, right? So now this is a lower high structure. Same thing on the last gold trade. We're gonna melt right after that, correct? Now, then we took, and then look, I actually set some buy stops here that I talked about on stream that I did have, which was the buy stops up here, right? Buy stops, I had set buy stops on stream, and I never took them off because I knew that once we broke this high, which happened right over here, I had like a 30 pip stop loss. Once we broke this high over here, 30 pip stop loss, and I wasn't even awake. I woke up and all take profits were smashed, bro. So beautiful trade. At the end of the day, guys, we did take another trade over here. Let me go ahead and pull that up over here. We took this was gold cells at 2043. No, now we took another 2043 cells over here. This was pretty much like a fib play for me. You guys can clearly see, we started to come down, formed the Dr. Dollar candle here, but it was just a gambler candle. Came up for that 5618 retracement. Also, my SMAs were in my favor, so I knew that once we broke these lows, we could easily target my area down over here, which was this area here, somewhere around this area. I knew that we were gonna tap, but this was just a one-on-one trade. Beautiful trade though. Simple trades, guys. I don't look for anything else. I do the same thing every single day, which is what you guys need to start doing. Don't look for different stuff that you don't know how has worked for you, right? Look for the same setups every single day, and you guys will be just freaking fine. Okay, so now over here, we took a gold sell at 1974, right over here. So this trade was an Asian session trade. We called this trade around 9 p.m. I told myself I wasn't gonna trade after this, but I did, and I kind of regretted it after. But I'm gonna go ahead and break it down for you guys, because like I said, I don't like hiding anything from you guys. You guys are my people. You guys, also lose. We all lose. We all learn together. We all win together. But we do it all together, right? So right over here, super simple trade, guys. Boom, big rejection, bullish candle close. If we start to break this bullish candle's close, we can keep stops right above the highs to then target the lows, right? Super simple. Now we also had this little area here of rejection and reaction. So I did close most of my position right at that level, and then I moved stops to break even. Gambler candles, boys. If you guys just look for these gambler candles here, you guys will freaking kill it. This setup here is one of my favorite setups because what it's doing, it's faking out the buyers. Everybody who's looking for buys will wait for one bullish candle close and they would execute their buys, right? And then guess what happens? Stop loss hit. But guess what happens to me? Take profit smashed. Why? Because I'm not a gambler. I'm waiting for confirmations. If there is no confirmations, I won't take that trade. Simple. I'll miss out. If it plays out, I'll miss out. I don't care. There's no confirmation. Sorry, buddy. That's not what I do. That's not what I specialize in. I'm a confirmation trader. Very patient trader. If I miss the move, it doesn't matter, which is the same psychology you guys should have. And then we went on the YouTube live stream. I didn't call any trades on the YouTube live stream. And then I kind of messed up, right? Right over here. So I got off the YouTube live stream, and dude, this day was absolutely insane, bro. If you guys go to the 1 minute here, let me go to the 1 minute and find that. Where were we? Right over here. Guys, I'm gonna break this down on the 1 minute, because if you guys see these freaking candlesticks, guys, it is so annoying, right? So we take an entry below over here. We see about 7 pips in profit, 8 pips in profit, bro. And literally as soon as we entered this position, bro, price decided to freaking mop up. And this is 1 minute candle, bro. 1 minute candle came up, and dude, it was some news, some Ukraine news, Russian news. There's nothing I could do about that. If we were actually bearish, we would continue down and still be bearish. Then I called this trade on the 15-minute time frame. We can see that price came all the way up here, but closed over here. So I was thinking it was a break and retest of this previous zone, right? So I executed a position here with a 20 pip stop loss, and I was like, you know what? Whatever happens, happens. We'll see what happens. And then price decides to come up and stop me out. Now, if you guys notice on the 1 minute time frame, this was huge spikes up, right? And I saw that we kept rejecting the highs above here. Now I couldn't call this trade for my signal group, as you guys can see, right over here. But I did tell them I re-entered, right? So right over here, I re-entered, just closed some. Shit's going nuts. I'm so scared, low. I was a little scared because, dude, the markets was freaking insane. They were insane. They were going up and down, up and down, up and down. But I was gonna call it, but bruh, boom, couldn't. Shit was going nuts. It was impossible to call. Rocky ride with EJ. EJ was on some bullshit. I feel very bad about it, about not being able to call my last trade, guys. But if you were looking at the market, you would understand. Sorry again, definitely getting a breakdown tomorrow on what not to do, because I made some mistakes today, but they played out. But it's best to stay away in situations like this. Again, sorry, expect a video tomorrow, right? Which is exactly what we did. We then came, and what did we do? Did I say, oh, bro, we just lost 2 trades, blah, blah, all this shit? No, bro, I don't give a fuck. I woke up the next freaking morning, 12 p.m. I woke up, what did I do? I went to gold. I was like, you know what? Bro, we're gonna murder gold today. This is my day that I murdered gold, right? Why? Because I'm freaking pissed at the market. When I'm pissed at the market, I'm gonna take its freaking money. Simple. Right? So what do I see over here, guys? So we come over here, we see a beautiful, let me go on a higher time frame over here, because We're on the 1 minute. We don't trade on the 1 minute. Right? So, where's my trade? Where's my trade? Right over here. So, 15-minute time frame, right? 15-minute freaking time frame. I believe it was over here. I'm mistaken. 12:16. Yeah, right over here. Okay, so what do I see over here, guys? Price comes up. Price comes down. Starts giving me massive rejections to the downside, right? Massive freaking rejections to the downside. I'm like, oh God, bro, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I know exactly what we're gonna do. What you mean, bro? We're taking buys. There's massive rejections to the downside. Also, the big Fibonacci long over here. Rejections to this previous zone as well. I was like, okay, this is a break and retest of the zone. Now, what do I need? I need bullish confirmation, right? Now, I took this position based off the 15-minute time frame right over here. Why did I take this position? You guys notice, this 15-minute candle told me the whole story. Everything I wanted to know about the charts, I knew from this candle, right? Bullish engulfing close, right? Bullish engulfing candle. Then all I waited for was this next 15-minute candle to come down and make its wick. You guys see the little wick over here? That wick was my confirmation wick. If we then flip bullish, my entry is when we are bullish, right? Or a flip of the candle, you guys can enter as well. Then we started to wick fill. This candle close over here, beautiful freaking close. Price then shot up 87 pips, bro, to end the week. So that's how my week went. Didn't hide any losses. Didn't hide anything. That is exactly how my week went. Were we profitable? Yes. 6 wins, only 3 losses. Every single trade was breaking down. Every single loss was breaking down. Every single win was breaking down. Every single trade you guys have full accountability for. So make sure you guys join my freaking VIP mentorship if you guys want to be profitable. At the end of the day, my students don't even wait for my trades anymore. Like, I can show you our chat right now. I can show you our chat right now. They absolutely murder it. All alone, all together. Boom. We're just gonna go ahead and show you guys. Let me go here. Boom, 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 boom. No bias to the market, right? If it breaks this low, I'm gonna sell. If it breaks this high, I'm gonna buy. Simple. If it breaks this high, I'm gonna buy. Look at this. This is one of my brothers here, Dr. Euro. Boom. $4,500 on the day, and that's a live account, bruh. Look at this, $148. This is all by themselves. Guys, like at the end of the day, bro, these people be killing it on their own, bro. Look at that. Killing it. Killing it. Killing it. Like, come on, bro. We even got Dr. Scalp in the house, bro. Look at this. Boom. Killing it. Nobody can play with us, bro. Freedom Trading's on the way to the top, bro. We have 325 members, guys. So make sure you guys are freaking joining up, understanding how to trade these markets with me, and you guys will be profitable long term, which is my goal for everybody in my group, right? So I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Peace. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, do all that stuff. Tap the notification bell because we will be going live and the giveaway will be announced. My shirt says to-do list, nada, but yeah, right. There's always something to do. Peace out, boys. Love you guys.